two nulls controlling this gradient, so you can see got a gradient by, or a light, fake light by the window, basically a gradient. So when I move that further away, not that bright, closer to the window, brighter. But I also want, when it's out in this position, I want it to have some fake gradients also, because if I don't do that, it will just look plain boring. So yeah, I mean, it might look cool now, but if I render this, yeah, you can see that doesn't look all that cool, does it? So let's add some fake lights to that. The way I do that is I use another gradient, and I will tie that gradient to a null. That null, though, needs a follower. Not parenting, but follower. And it follows it in the set position by 3.7 meters. That way, that gradient is always constant. It always, that specific gradient always follows the object. While this top one does not. It only appears when the object is close to the window. In order to make these work together, I have to use additive for the blending mode. This is just a top light, or a fake top light rather. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I want it to work together with cached GI to make renders tons, gazillion times faster. So let's just do an F9. Looks like that. It's exaggerated now. You can adjust that later on, of course. Let's move it to the window position. Then you'll see you'll get some light there as well. This light right here, though, is baked into the cache. So that's the actual window from the light. Not a fake light, but a cached light rays. But you can also see I added this top Z distance gradient, which falls off the further away I move into this position. Perhaps this needs to be tweaked a bit. Maybe I need to have not a value of 0 here, but maybe 30. I'll cheat a bit and use a layer opacity of 50. So this way we don't get that harsh results. So you can see if I don't have that fake light, that fake gradient, then this will be completely dark. So this trick goes for cached GI, but you really should use these tricks for pure radiosity and normal GI also. In addition to these gradients, I added a top light, or a fake top light, in the Y channel. So let's just render that. And yeah, that might be a bit much, but anyways. So combining these gradients is the key. You know, I could continue this video, but I think I'll just leave it at this. So what's happening now is that the radiosity frame is already done. It's just calculating the FiberFX, which is slower. Okay, that took 25 seconds. I think that's pretty darn good. This is an NPR render, so it's not photoreal and it's not meant to be photoreal. Yeah,